Ever feel that complicated chords, tricky chord progressions and difficult strumming patterns make learning a song really overwhelming? Well, you're not alone. Many older beginners feel that way too. So today we're keeping it really simple and we're going to look at the Beatles' Paperback Writer, a song from 1966. And it's going to use just two very straightforward chords, and not only easy chords but beginner friendly chords, versions of those chords. And we'll be focusing on just the chords you need to sing along with this song or have a bit of a sing-song with your mates. And there's going to be no complex terms or challenging patterns, just a simple, approachable version so that you can strum and sing your way through the verses. Because that's all we're looking at. We're not looking at the riff or the kind of a cappella parts, because you don't need chords for those parts. And here's a little help for you. I've got a color-coded set of lyrics for you so that you know when exactly you should be changing from one chord to another. So, I hope you've got your guitar. Let's get into it. So here's the first chord, and it's a one-finger version of the G7th chord. And 7th chords are really nice bluesy chords. And you can see it on the screen. You're only playing the top 4 strings, and your first finger is on the first fret of this thinnest string here. This is the E string, the high E string. And I'm just using my thumb to play the chord, and as I said, you're only playing the top 4 strings, and the top 4 strings are this one, this one, this one and this one. String number 1 is the thinnest string and it goes up that way. So first, second, third and fourth. So I'm using my thumb to play those chords, those strings. And this is the chord you're going to use for pretty much most of the verse. And it goes like this, if we keep it nice and simple. Dear sir or madam, will you read my book? It took me years to write, will you take a look? It's based on a novel by a man named Lear, and I need a job, so I want to be a paperback. Ooh. Now we've gone from red to blue, and now this is where the color code comes in, because the blue now means you're going to play C major. And so let's have a look at the C major, and this is an easy version of C, and I think this is quite good because the full version of C requires you to stretch a little bit with this finger here, and that can often put players off. So just using the first finger on the first fret of the B, which is the second string, and the second finger on the second fret of this fourth string. This is the D string. And again, we're only going to play the top 4 strings, just like that, just as you did with the G7. So let's try going from G7 to C. Just a little practice here. We'll play 2 bars of G, 2 bars of C, and repeat that just a couple of times, just to get you warmed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you're finding that change from G7 to C7, if you find that when you're going from here to the C, that you take off your finger and then your fingers are like this, like that, to get from the G7 to the C. we can make the C a little easier. And what we're going to do now is, instead of using the first and second finger, we're just going to use the first finger. And you're not playing all top 4 strings, you're just going to play the top 3 strings. First string, second string, and third string. And if anyone tries to tell you that's not a real chord, all a chord needs is 3 notes. And we've got 3 notes here. And once you've told them that, tell them to get stuffed. So we have that version, 1 finger of G7. We can also do a 1 finger version of C or a 2 finger version of C. So let's have a go at the verses. We're going to do 2 verses. Now, as I said before, we're not doing the beginning bit, the part that goes like this.
Paperback Writer.
And we're not doing the riff, because I think that's pretty difficult for starter guitarists. Oh, by the way, have you heard there's a great version of this song by The Sweet? Check that out, it's pretty cool. So here we go. First 2 verses. 1, 2, 3. Dear sir or madam, will you read my book? It took me years to write, will you take a look? It's based on a novel by a man named Lear, and I need a job, so I wanna be a paperback writer. Paperback writer. It's a dirty story of a dirty man, and his clinging wife doesn't understand. His son is working for the Daily Mail. It's a steady job, but he wants to be a paperback writer. Paperback writer.
Paperback Writer.
If you want a copy of those color-coded lyrics, then you can email me, and you'll find my email address down in the description, which is just below the like and subscribe button. You could do that, or you could check out this video here, which is another very easy song that you can learn on your guitar. Thanks so much for joining me today. Happy strumming.